Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a smart, safe, and affordable way to get your young driver their first car without the risk that come with buying a used car with no warranty. So a lot of parents go straight to the used car market thinking it's the cheapest option. But what they don't consider is the cost of repairs, lack of warranty, and outdated safety features. That's why a Mercedes courtesy vehicle like this one is such a great choice. These are gently driven vehicles from our loaner fleet, meaning they've been meticulously maintained by the dealership. And the best part, they come with a full Mercedes-Benz factory warranty, giving you total peace of mind. Think about it. If your young driver's car breaks down, you're stuck paying out of pocket for expensive repairs. But with the courtesy vehicle, those worries are gone. You're getting a car with the latest technology, advanced driver assist features, and all the reliability that comes with a certified Mercedes. And here's the best part. It's surprisingly affordable. With special financing or lease programs that may be available, you can get low payments, often comparable to what you spend on a less reliable used car. And if your young driver loves a car, guess what? They can keep it. So if you want to go with the lease option to get the lower payment, it's a great option because it lets them drive a nearly new car with lower payments and the flexibility to upgrade in a few years. So no long-term commitment, no headaches. So if you're thinking about getting your young driver a car, consider a Mercedes-Benz Courtesy Vehicle. It's safe, reliable, warranted, and more affordable than you think. So come by and check one out. You might be surprised at how easy it is to drive one home. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the video description section. Thank you.